Hello, I'm Micah Crump, a MEC professor in the School of Business, and I'm very happy to be at Medgar Evers College. I believe that my objectives, my task in teaching is to deliver course student learning objectives to students effectively and to keep them engaged while doing so. So these are the three courses that I teach right here, and this is the number of students that are in them. And so the reason why I'm showing you that is because it's really going to matter when I show you student engagement. But first, all of my courses right now, I'm a work in progress. And so at week 7, I'm getting better and better at cleaning up my course to show it in a nice way. So right now when students log on, they get to see learning objectives for the week, learning objectives that relate to course learning objectives in their syllabus. So also, I'll just show you real quickly. We did an office hours vote, and the students spoke, and in 3 different classes, all of them wanted these particular times, and so we make those times available to them. And so that goes across all 3 courses with different learning objectives. And so the real reason why I brought that up is because when it comes to student engagement, um, when we okay, so right over here, this is a Q&A form that is really helpful. Students answer each other questions. I answer questions, and it really keeps my email down a whole lot. All right, so but look over here. 36 students engaged in class introduction where they had to provide a YouTube video to each other. And 36 is okay, but it's not the full number of students in the course. So that's something, in terms of continuous improvement, need to work on. 31 students participated in the vote for office hours. 36 students participated in a home assignment, but look, they were really highly engaged in that home assignment. So 36 students with 130 posts. And then they really like video stuff. So each of them had to post a 90-second pitch of a new business, and fewer students, but the engagement was really high and concentrated. So these are non media rich activities right here. The engagement drops down a little bit, but within some of the students it's still pretty high. And so this right here, what we're looking at is an entrepreneurship course, and the students, they all, they set up their nice little businesses in this course as a semester project. So they reach out, recruited people to join their teams, and this is their homepage. And they're putting content on here, video content, presentation slides. They're going through the semester to put it on there. So they come on office hours and they communicate with each other. This guy right here is doing a podcast, and he's recruited non-MEC people on his founder team. And so this one right here, this team, these are some powerful women, business women, and they actually, on that particular site, they open up a reviews, and it's like, give me some reviews, and then they got just that, and so that was really nice. And but the students like each other. They come on office hours. They help each other out. If a student comes on, they're stressed and mad at me, the other student be like, no, no, you just stressed. And so it's really nice. And then the student leaves laughing and happy, and the stress factor comes down. Other people say, hey, give me an email. Hey, take down my number. Call me. I can show you. No, it's really simple. So we have that type of stuff. This is one of our students, Nazir. This is African sculpture that he makes and sells. Plus, he has a clothing business. Many of the students are doing these businesses just for course purposes, and some of them are actually doing it for real. And this guy right here, he's actually setting up a soul food kitchen, and so he's doing some nice things. And and then I'll just quickly show you, and then sign off. So we have a wall. I have a wall, and students get to post all kinds of stuff up there. They post pictures of themselves, and then there's a lot of comment back and forth, dialogue, and within that. Um, let's see here. Home pages, really nice. They're working on really nice things. We're in week 7, so they have until this coming Saturday at midnight to post work, and they've already started, and so that's pretty good. So, and you can look at again, this is a measure of engagement. 31 out of 40 some students actively participating, 85 posts, 33 students with 153. But they really like that digital content. They like media rich content. And in closing, I will show you one more thing that sort of helps. So in the content section, right over here, semester project. So the students love stuff like this. So these are, this is semester content that I have made for them. The first 11 slides in small business management course, I've made this content for them, and they like it. And they come on there and they talk to me, and then they come into office hours. They want to discuss it. A lot of them want to discuss stuff with their business offline. So it's really good. And these are great times. And I think I need to stop right here and thank you. But I really am soliciting any feedback. If anybody sees anything I'm doing wrong, I could do better, opportunities. My goal is to get all 40 of them engaged and highly engaged and learn the objectives within the course content time. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.